Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best fuse accessories that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Fuse Accessories. Application point of view: a fuse holder is characterized by the features discussed in the previous section by its rated values for voltage, current and accepted power. Considerable differences exist between the IEC and the L standards regarding the rated current of a fuse holder. According to IEC 257, the rated current is determined by the rated accepted power of a fuse holder. Number 10. UXL 250 volts 10A 135 Celsius circuit cutoff temperature thermal fuse 20 pieces. Cutoff temperature fuse which use heat-sensitive grain materials. Organic chemical is heat-sensitive material. Main features. This is a single device. Rated voltage 250 volts. Electric components. Number 9. Ruiling 10-pack metal thermal fuse thermal cutoffs for transformer motor electric industrial. Shot operation: stable, compact, durable and reliable seal structure, excellently sensitive to ambient temperature. Main features. Stable and precise. 10 pieces metal thermal cutoffs fuse. 1 shot operation. Number 8. Tatat 10 pieces new RH 250 volts 2A 130 dig double lead temperature control thermal fuse. Rated voltage 250 volts. Package includes 10 RH 130 dig thermal fuse 2A. Main features. Rated voltage 250 volts. Material plastic. Main color black, silver. Number 7. The TCO thermal cutoff responds to temperature by interrupting an electrical circuit when the operating or environmental temperature exceeds the thermal rating of the device. The internal fusible alloy is melted by reaching. Main features. Full 23/4 lead spit, maximum rating 5 amps. RoHS compliant. Number 6. Metal Rye thermal fuse thermal cutoff temperature fuse which use heat-sensitive grain materials. Organic chemical is heat-sensitive material. This is a single-use device that cannot be reset and must be replaced. Main features. This is a single device. Rated voltage 250. Cutoff temperature 72. Number 5. 10-pack 6x30mm inline glass fuse holder marine class. New high-quality high-performance product equipment safety. Voltage 80 to 250 volts wire type 18-aught tin copper wire product name inline fuse holder material. Main features. Voltage 80 to 250 volts. Material plastic. New high quality. Number 4. UXL 250 volts 10A 120 Celsius circuit cutoff temperature thermal fuse 20 pieces. The use of thermal particulate materials as a thermal insulation of the metal thermal fuse. Widely used in electric current provider. Main features. This is a single-use device. Rated voltage 250 volts. All kinds of instrument. Number 3. Gardner Bender FPE 27-inch fuse puller 200A, 100A/600 volts. Tough insulated shockproof durable plastic fuse puller. Serrated grip designed to prevent slipping. Compact lightweight design. Main features. Compact lightweight design. Insulated plastic fuse puller. Insulated shockproof. Number 2. Fast shipping adds circuit blade style APS HET low profile mini fuse tap fuse tap. Plugs into occupied or vacant energized fuse block slot. 16-gauge red wire lead for new circuit is 5 inches long. Main features. Holder to protect existing circuit. Plugs into occupied circuit is 5 inches long. Number 1. Ventronic fuse puller insulated no slip grip handle 7.2 inch long. This puller safely and easily extracts fuses and bulbs from blocks and holders. Serrated grip designed to prevent slipping. Main features. Overall length 183 mm. Handy and convenient. Easily extracts fuses. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.